Hi, good day, guys. Thank you very much for subscribing to the channel and flowing with what we're doing. We're bringing solutions right to your doorstep as far as music education is concerned. Let's go straight to what we have to do. My name is Zero Michael, and I am your host. I will be helping you with questions and then the various answers as far as music education is concerned and your certifications and examinations are concerned. Let's go. The period of beautification is Baroque period. Baroque actually means beautification. The period of strict adherence to structural principles is in the classical period. William Byrd lived in the Renaissance period. If you were to be born in the Baroque period, which of these years is most appropriate for your date of birth? Baroque period started when? Started in 1600 and it ended in 1750. So if you were born any time between that time, then you would have lived in the Baroque period. 1660 is the most appropriate answer. If you were born in 1760, you were born after the Baroque period. So who among these lived in the Baroque period? We're talking about composers that lived in the Baroque period. Who among these lived in the Baroque period? His full name is Johann Sebastian Bach. Okay, the composer of Every Valley Shall Be, Every Valley, as contained in the book of songs known as the Messiah. It was that book of songs, the Messiah, is called Handel's Messiah. Handel is the composer. His full name is George Frederick Handel. Ode to Joy. Ode to Joy is a composition, is a piano work of what you call Ode to Joy, composed by Beethoven. Ode to Joy is a composition of Beethoven. The period that lasted between 1750 to 1820 is the classical period. Then Felix Mendelssohn is the product of the Romantic period. Felix Mendelssohn lived within the Romantic period. The period that lasted between 1600 to 1750, I said that earlier, is the Baroque period. Okay, the period that lasted between 1400 to 1600 is actually the Renaissance period. The Renaissance period lasted between 1400 to 1600. The period that graced the presence of Beethoven. Beethoven was born in 1770 and he died in 1827. Beethoven was born in the classical period alongside Mozart. Okay, the title music prodigy is no other person but Mozart. The period of rebirth is Renaissance. Renaissance is a period of rebirth. Question and answer form in music is known as a binary form. A B, a form and another form, and that is all. A session and another session, sorry. Two different sessions forming the music composition. Okay, playing different styles of a song is you're playing the same song but with different styles. What you're doing is that you're having a variation. That is the form. A dance in music is minuet. Minuet is a French dance in triple time. ABA is a structural representation for ternary form. Okay, da capo is a musical term. It means repeat from the beginning. Da segno is the one that means repeat from the sign. Okay, let's move to triad. The tonic triad of G major is, if you have to play the tonic triad of G major, what you'll be playing is G, B, and D. Tonic triad is the first note, the third note, and the fifth note. Noting that the first note is the tonic because the question says tonic triad. So you are starting your first note, your root note is the tonic, the third will be the B, that is the third note, and then the fifth, and then will be D. Okay? The music with a key signature of 4 sharps. The music has a key signature of 4 sharps. 4 sharps is the key signature for E major. 4 sharps is the key signature for E major. Chord 3 to chord 6. If you are moving from a chord 3 to chord 6, what you're talking about is an interrupted cadence. The chord 3 to chord 5 in the music is a dash cadence. Once you are landing on chord 5, it is an imperfect cadence. Imperfect cadence. The music ended on a chord 5. On a chord 5 as an imperfect cadence. If it's ending on a chord 5, it is ending as an imperfect cadence. I'm going to continue this recording in the next video, and that is in the part 4 of question and answer, music question and answer. Please don't forget to hit the subscription button, and you will be glad you did. Thank you very much. This has been great. This has been